Welcome back to the Ella's family. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
When I woke up this morning, it's Saturday by the way. When I woke up this morning, I immediately had to look at my phone to see the time, the day. I said, oh shoot, what do I have to do today? It's Saturday. I looked at my phone and said, it's okay, it's Saturday. And I think when I woke up, it was probably around 8 or 9. I said, I'm like, okay, it's Saturday. I don't have to work today. What do I have to do today? And I was like, oh yeah, I'm getting my hair done. Getting my hair taken out today. It's really pouring out here.
Me and Mommy are gonna go to Mommy's cousin's house so Mommy could get her hair done or taken out. And I would usually just be, well, doing something or playing with the baby.
Finally have my hair out again. Y'all can see like my growth has just been permeating through. And like I said, I've had excuse me, I've had these locks in since October. It's now December, and I did get them redone in between, so I think I got them done like in November. I don't know, but y'all can see it's I mean, I like the locks look. I like the locks look. It's just like, you know, it looks better when it's fresh. They definitely starting to look a little authentic now, but I'm ready to be able to like run my fingers through my hair, you know, run my fingers through it. But I do like this look, and I think I probably will get it again. In my hair, making progress though.
Is this recording?
Yeah.
It's on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got it because for my birthday I went to Jamaica, so I was like, I was gonna just get a sew-in, but I was like, well, what happens if I want to go into the water or whatever? I don't want to mess up my hair, so the universe just worked it out so where I can actually get locks, and I think it looks really great. So if you haven't seen, I don't know if I made a video about my Jamaican birthday, but I'll post a picture here of the photo shoot that I took in Jamaica. I think it looks really cute. So you can see, like, and I really wanted to get like a picture of like just being in Jamaica and like the locks. Like, this is my first time having locks, and just, you know, just something beautiful to take back or to have a memory. So this is me in Jamaica. This is another one of me in Jamaica. This is another one of me in Jamaica. That's another one of me in Jamaica. I did go out there solo. I went out to Jamaica solo for a week, and I spent time out there. I was in Montego Bay. I was in Lucy. I was in the country. I was in Negril. I did not get to hit Kingston, but next time I go, I think that's probably where I'll end up, is in Kingston. So, yeah.
It's the wrong way.
She's sliding. Freaking, what do they call that?
How do I win again? Push motor, push back, or push it. Y'all to win.
They have a baby, and he's so cute. He's like, he got a big head, but he has a little butt.
Hi, baby. I'm just chilling.
What's up, baby?
Oh, come on, Piper. I just put out all this nice food. Look.
Funny, bunny. Funny action.
We know, but we're also...
Who just snatched him? Gonna snatch a bag of chips. Okay. Okay. Look at you.
You were dropping everything.
I'll take those. You want your bottle? You want your bottle?
Everything.
This is my cousin. We grew up together. We're similar in age. She's a couple months older than me. My name's Lamisha. Her name's Arnisha. So we're kind of connected. That we have similar names too. She is my cousin. Her mom is my aunt for my mom. She's my mom's sister. And like I said, we grew up together, but we definitely did grow up apart. Like our lifestyles are different, so we grew up with different lifestyles. So we're kind of like cousins. Like we're cousins, but we're not really like friends. Like we're not the type of people like be on the phone chit chatting with each other. So it's just really more so like of a cousin/business kind of relationship. Like when we're together, it's like it's love, it's cool, we got each other's back. Like I got their back whenever they need me. Like I know they got my back if I need them. But the reality of it is, we don't have like a really close relationship. We're just cousins.
Go ahead and drink your juice.
This is my cousin. Hey, hi, cousin. We're taking a cider break. Look how she drinks her cider.
Oh, you fancy, huh?
She fancy. It's good. Okay.
Oh,
The bottle popped. That means it's fresh. It's good.
Right. Well, mom shook it up. It's good. It smells great. My hands. Great. Smells like rain.
This is Bonnie. Say hi. You run up on me. So I got here around 11, a little after 11. It is now like 4:10, and still not done yet. Hi, baby. Hi. What you got there? Oh, you got a little controller. Pew, 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 pew. Look at this little kid Xbox controller. Pew, pew. Almost turned on for you. I don't think it works. Here you go. Oh yeah. Almost done, I guess. Oh, I don't know how much longer it's gonna take, but this is coming together. Hey, baby. We have returned. We're back. It's probably like 6 o'clock right now. I finally got all my locks taken out. Now it's time to wash, do a little deep condition, blow dry my hair, and then get ready for work tomorrow. Oh goodness, a long night. I didn't know it was gonna take that long, but yeah, from like 11 to 6 o'clock at night. Crazy. But yeah, I'm glad it's finally done. Now I'm about to go wash my hair. Thanks for making it to the end of this vlog. If you like this video, please hit that like notification and subscribe to my channel for more videos from the Ellis family. So today you saw it took a long time to take my hair down, take out the Faux Locs. We started around 11, maybe 11:30, and we didn't get done until almost 6 o'clock. So that took a few hours. Took more than a few hours. So, but I mean, that's just how it is. Whether you're getting your hair done in a new protective style or you're taking it down, the time frame can vary a few hours. So that's just what it is. And it's totally fine. I like it when I can be like how my cousin does my hair. So that way I can be like in the place where I'm comfortable, you know. I need a break at any time, you know what I mean? And it's all love, you know what I mean? You know, she's got her son that my daughter gets along well with, Daylon. They have a good time. They watch anime together. They play video games together. They run around together, making a whole bunch of noise, okay? And then the baby, I just love to cuddle the baby. I be having a little baby fever with the baby. I definitely miss the baby stage, but I do not miss the whole potty training, changing diapers, all of that. I don't miss all of that. I miss the little baby stage. So with the baby there, I get to cuddle with him and play with him. And he was screaming and crying. He's not talking yet, but he sure is making noise. So it was just very loud there. So I couldn't do a lot of recording while I was there, but I did get their consent to be on camera and in my vlog. So there's a little clips you guys can see with them in there, so you can see them all. But it was really loud most of the time, but everybody's having a good time. So I like that I can get my hair done in an environment that everyone's comfortable and everyone's having a good time. So like every time I go over there, my October never wants to leave. She wants to stay, and I'm like, we gotta go. You've been here for 6 hours already, girl. We gotta go. But yeah, glad to be able to run my fingers through my hair, which is what I'll be doing tomorrow when I do my hair for work. It just feels nice. It feels clean. Like I washed it, and it just feels so nice. Like you don't even know, guys. It just feels nice. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm not gonna let it go any longer. I will update you tomorrow because tomorrow I'm actually going to a Kevin Hart show. It's not a concert. It's a show. Kevin Hart comedy show. So I'm supposed to go to that tomorrow. So I'm getting off of work early tomorrow so that I can go and get ready for that. So I will update you on that tomorrow. So stay tuned for my next vlog tomorrow for the Kevin Hart show. Alright. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.